go there, guys. If you have the VX model Prado 2009, 2013, and so it has like a single camera. It doesn't have the 4-camera like setup. And you're finding you have our T-Series head unit and maybe the camera like works 30 to 70% of the time. Then you might have to add in this extra box to control the camera. Now, this plug here is going to go to the camera plug. So pull that out of our head unit and plug it into here. Where the RCA plug was going in, because this is the camera feed, into the back of our head unit, our top plug like this in. That'll basically be the 2 RCAs you have plugged together at the moment. Pull the one out that's like coming from the bottom box. It's going to be male anyway, so you can't go wrong. And then plug lights like this one in. That's going to take care of the camera feed. Now it's got all these sort of wires on it. Don't worry about this. Don't worry about this. This is the only wire we need to worry about. I need to get ACC power to this red wire and ground to the black. So you can chop this off and grab that power from wherever you can. On our T-Series, ask us, because they do have an extra cable going like somewhere on this model, that big cable, that big plug that's not actually used. You could actually chop into that and get the power from there. So I'll just cover it again. Unplug your car coming from your car side, so the factory plug from our other box below the head unit. Plug it into here. Unplug the 2 RCAs you have plugged together. Obviously it's like a male one, so it's going to go into the female one. And then give this an ACC power source in black to ground. The rest of these take back and don't worry about. Now that should sort out the issue that you're having, that the camera does not work all the time. And these are the wires here, these 3 here that you'll be using.